Ipagpapatuloy po natin ang ating topic, auditory diagnosis, snoring, groaning, crying out, stuttering. Snoring. Snoring is generally due to phlegm or dampness obstructing the nasal passages. However, we should distinguish loud snoring reflecting a purely full condition of dampness from phlegm, from weak snoring reflecting a condition of dampness or phlegm against the background of chi deficiency. So alam po natin, pag malakas yung boses ng snoring, so excess condition po yan due to dampness. So pag mahina is due to chi deficiency. Chapter 34 of Simple Question, attribute snoring to rebellious chi of the stomach channel. Inability to sleep with snoring is due to rebellious chi of the stomach channel, yung mga nag-snore. The 3-foot yang channels all flows downward. When the chi of the stomach channel rebels upward, it causes snoring. Full. So, phlegm, heat in the lungs. So, kung mayroon pong loud snoring, yung naghihilik. Ito ano? Dry throat, thirst with no desire to drink, barking, cough with profuse, parang tumatawal na ubo to eh. Sticky yellow sputum, shortness of breath, wheezing, feeling of oppression of chest, feeling of heat, thirst, red and swollen tongue with sticky yellow coating, slippery rapid pulse. Yun po yung makikita natin kung mayroong phlegm heat in the lungs. So, ang acupuncture points po natin ay lang 5, lang 7, bladder 13, lang 1, stomach 40, REM 12, REM 9, REM 5, and bladder 22, and large intestine 11. So, kung meron naman pong damp phlegm in the lungs, so soft snoring po siya. So, feeling of oppression of the chest, cupped with expectoration of sticky sputum. So, dahil damp phlegm ito, may feeling of heaviness po yan silang nararamdaman sa throat. Then, thirst with no desire to drink. Swollen tongue with sticky coating, slippery pulse. So, ang acupuncture points po natin ay lang 5, lang 7, bladder 13, lang 1, stomach 40, REM 12, REM 9, REM 5, and bladder 22. So, ma-differentiate na po natin ano. Basta may damp phlegm, karaniwan niyan ay merong heaviness na nararamdaman na sticky ang kanilang mga phlegm. So, kung dry phlegm naman po yung nasa lungs, so high pitch po yung snoring. Ang kanila pong cough ay dry with occasional difficult expectoration of scanty sputum dahil nga heat. So, thirst with no desire to drink. Kahit nauhaw, wala siyang ganang uminom. Dry mouth and throat, swollen tongue with sticky dry coating, then ang kanyang pong pulse ay slippery. So, acupuncture points po natin ay lang 5, lang 1, lang 7, lang 9, REM 12, kidney 6, and spleen 6. So, yun po yung ating mga gagamitin. Water point po, may water point yan dahil mayroong heat para ma-cool down. So, letter B, full or empty. Then, phlegm in the lungs with lung and spleen chi deficiency. So, affected po yung lungs and spleen. Ang kanya pong snoring ay soft. Feeling of oppression of the chest, feeling of heaviness, dahil nga po siya ay may phlegm, kaya may heavy na naman tayo makikita. Dahil may chi deficiency siya, kaya ang kanya pong voice ay weak. Then, propensity to catching cold, yung madali siyang lamigin. Dahil involved ang spleen, nagkakaroon po siya ng poor appetite, then loses stool, tiredness, pale tongue with teeth marks, and saggy pulse. So, uli po, gagamitin natin ang lung 5. Then, lung 1, lung 7, lung 9, REM 12, spleen 3, bladder 20, bladder 13. So, para po dun sa lungs and spleen. Ayan, may mga points. Groaning. So, ano naman yung groaning? So, groaning generally indicates pain. But we still need to differentiate loud groaning, reflecting a full condition from weak and feeble groaning. Reflect a mixed full empty condition as the cause of the pain. Groaning from pain is usually due to dampness or chi stagnation. So, tingnan po natin yung dampness. Groaning acute pain, feeling of heaviness, tongue with thick, sticky coating, slippery pulse. Other symptoms and signs depend on the location of the dampness causing pain. So, yun po yung voice niya, groaning. Pag may chest stagnation naman po, so yung groaning voice niya ay dahil sa acute pain and distension kasi may chest stagnation eh. Then, ang kanya pong pulse ay wiry. Other symptoms and signs depend on the location of the chest stagnation causing pain. Crying out. So, yung crying out indicates severe pain. Siyempre, parang yung umiiyak na yan eh. Pag matindi yung sakit. Usually always of a full nature. It is usually due to blood stasis, damp heat, or toxic heat. So, blood stasis. Crying out, severe acute pain that is stabbing in character. Wiry pulse, other symptom and sign depend on the location of the blood stasis causing pain. Talagang pag may blood stasis po, pag yung mga pasyente natin, matats mo lang yung mga part na talagang masasakit. So, mayroon silang crying out na mga boses na talagang aray, na halos maiiyak sila dyan. So, kung may damp heat naman po, so yung boses na crying out nila severe acute pain, dahil sa severe acute pain. Then, may feeling of fullness po yan. And heaviness, dahil damp heat nga eh. Then, ang thick, sticky, yellow tongue coating po sila. Then, ang kanilang pulse ay slippery and wiry. So, alam natin yung mga halos crying out na yung kanilang mga boses. Pag toxic heat naman po yung nasa pasyente natin, so crying out din po yung kanilang mga boses because of severe and acute pain. Then, ang kanila pong mga pakiramdam yan talagang feeling of heat kasi mga toxic heat nga po yung nasa katawan eh. Then, mayroon po silang swelling and redness. Thick, sticky dark yellow tongue coating with red spot. Then, ang kanila pong mga pulse ay overflowing, slippery, rapid. Stuttering. Stuttering yung parang nauutal-utal po ano. Stuttering may be due to heart blood deficiency or heart fire. So yung parang yung nagpuputol-putol na salita. So pag ganun pang pasyente natin, ano na po nyo agad ang heart. Yan, may problem yung heart. Either blood deficiency or meron siyang heart fire. Pag heart blood deficiency po, so stuttering voice po sila. Nervous tension, mayroon silang palpitation, dizziness, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, poor memory din po sila. Then mayroong anxiety, ganun pa rin, propensity to be startled, dull, pale complexion, pale lips, pale and thin tongue, choppy, or fine pulse. Naalala po ninyo ito dun sa yung nagano tayo ng pulse, itong choppy. Yan, medyo delikadong ano po siya, pulse. Kasi kung heart na po yung nagkukulang ng blood, so nagkakaroon ng choppy pulse. Pag ganito pong nire-refer po natin sa doktor. So magkatulong po manggagamot ang mga acupuncturista and doktor po. Letter B, heart fire. So may stuttering voice po sila. Meron po silang palpitation pag may heart fire, Then, nakakaramdam sila ng thirst, mouth and tongue, nagkakaroon ng mga ulcer. Ito po yung mga taong hindi napapakali, mental restlessness. Then, feeling agitated. Meron silang insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, yung laging nananaginip, hindi halos makatulog, panaginip lang ng panaginip. Siyempre, ang kapakiramdam po nila ay laging mainit, feeling of heat. Then, yung kanilang face ay red, ang kanila pong mga, laging parang may mapait na panlasa. Then, meron po silang red tongue with redder tip. So, alam na natin yung tip, heart yun. And ang kanila pong pulse ay overflowing rapid pulse. So, ito po yung ating summary ng voice. Pag loud voice po, ito ay full condition. Pag weak voice, empty condition. Pag muffled voice, in acute condition, may envision po ng wind. Muffled voice in chronic condition, deficiency of qi and blood. Pag nasal voice, invasion of wind cold o wind dampness. Pag hoarse voice naman, in acute condition, invasion of wind heat or qi stagnation. So, i-practice natin pakinggan yung mga voice na yan. So, yun po yung meaning. Hoarse voice in a chronic condition, so deficiency po yan na lungs and or kidney. Hoarse voice in a chronic condition with swelling of the pharynx, so may phlegm po or blood stasis. Pag sudden po yung hoarse voice in chronic disease, collapse na po yung yin at saka yang ng katawan. Matindi po yun. Kasi yung balance, bagsak na yung yin and yang. So, hoarse voice during pregnancy, dahil po yung kidney channel pathology, di ba nakakonect na po dun sa baby. Coarse, deep, raucous voice with sudden onset, invasion of wind po yun. Difficulty in emitting sound with breathlessness. So, phlegm po yan sa lungs. Minsan yung parang wala ng tono. Magsasalita pero walang lumalabas, yun po yun. So, snoring, yung mga nag-snore, phlegm or dampness, nag-obstruct po yan sa nasal passages. Groaning, voice, pain from dampness or qi stagnation. So, crying out, severe pain of full nature from blood stasis. O may damp heat po siya or toxic heat. Stuttering, heart blood deficiency or heart fire. So, sa boses pa lang, malalaman na po natin yung kondisyon ng ating pasyente. At actually, dito po sa pinag-aaralan natin, natutukoy natin anong organ na sa boses pa lang po nila. So, kailangan lang po nating reviewin at sanayin natin yung pakikinig ng mga voice. Thank you po. Sana po ay may matandaan tayo doon. Constant practice lang po yan. At i-practice natin sa ating mga na-encounter na pasyente.